Hello friends, welcome to the channel Virtual Learners. Today we will discuss about fair and remunerative price, which is very important for UPSC as well as KAS examinations. This topic is related to Indian agriculture and current affairs related to Indian agriculture. Fair and remunerative price is related to sugar industry. Sugar industry is very important agro-based industry in the country. India is the second largest producer of sugar after Brazil. What is FRP? Fair and remunerative price is the price that sugar mills have to pay to the farmers. That is, FRP is the price at which sugar mills have to procure sugarcane from farmers. Who is determining the FRP or fair and remunerative price? FRP is determined by the Commission on Agriculture Cost and Prices after consulting with state government and other stakeholders. Thus, FRP is determined by Commission on Agriculture Cost and Prices. Now, let's check out what are the factors for arriving at FRP. Here, cost of production is a factor, domestic price, international price, and demand and supply all comes in factors which are essential for arriving at FRP or fair and remunerative price. Here, one thing to be noted is that FRP of sugarcane is determined under Sugar Control Order of 1966. So this is important. What is the advantage of FRP? FRP assures margin to farmers irrespective of whether sugar mills generate profit. We have discussed earlier that it is the price at which sugar mills have to procure sugarcane from farmers. Thus, it helps to have better margins for farmers in order to increase their income. So that is the benefit of FRP or fair and remunerative price. Another concept is SAP, that is state advised pricing. It is the price that mills would have to pay to farmers instead of fair and remunerative pricing. That is, it is typically higher than FRP. That is, state advised pricing is higher than FRP. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Virtual Learners.